What if I lost everything in crypto? Like everything. No Ethereum, no Bitcoin, no backups, no secret wallets. Gone. Let me tell you exactly what I do and how you can use this blueprint even if you're starting with nothing. First, I'd reset my mindset because the truth is, panic makes poor investors. Clarity creates comeback stories. Then, I'd break the game down to 3 buckets. One blue chip coin with proven strength, one mid cap with solid fundamentals, and one moonshot with real 10x potential. No FOMO, no hype, no guessing. I'd start small, even $100. Dollar cost average in. And when the time comes, I'm taking profits, not holding forever and praying for a miracle. And I'd spend more time learning than clicking buy, because most people lose money in crypto not from risk, but from doing too much, too fast, with too little education. I don't need 50 coins. I need 15 smart ones, max. And I need a plan that tells me exactly when to get in and when to get out. This is how I'd rebuild. And if you're ready to stop guessing, start here for theculturecrypto.com. Download the free starter guide, join the Discord, and build your comeback with clarity.